Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Nest Tech AI. If you're passionate about the latest gadgets, gear, and groundbreaking tech, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an overview of some of the hottest topics we'll be covering in our upcoming videos. Let's gear up and get started.
Looking for a laptop that combines power and sophistication? Welcome to our deep dive into the MacBook Pro 16 inches in space black. This isn't just a computer, it's a statement. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore its sleek design, powerful performance, stunning display, impressive connectivity, and robust battery life. But we'll also touch on its drawbacks, because no product is perfect. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the details and see what sets this MacBook apart. First off, let's talk design. Apple has reimagined the MacBook Pro, presenting it in a stunning space black finish. It's not just a color choice, it's a declaration of style. This finish gifts the MacBook a unique high-end aesthetic that sets it apart in a crowd of standard silver and gray laptops. But let's not forget about performance. The MacBook Pro houses the latest and greatest in processing technology, establishing itself as a true powerhouse for professionals. Whether you're editing high-definition videos, rendering intricate 3D models, or simply juggling a multitude of demanding applications, this MacBook tackles it all with ease. The design is sleek, the performance is robust, but it's the seamless integration of the two that truly defines the MacBook Pro. Beautiful to look at and mighty to use, it's a testament to Apple's commitment to marrying form and function. The MacBook Pro isn't just about looks, it's a powerhouse for professionals. Now let's talk display. The MacBook Pro boasts a 16-inch Retina display that will take your breath away. With its high resolution, you'll see every detail in your photos, videos, and designs with absolute clarity. The color accuracy is a dream come true for creative professionals, ensuring your work is showcased in the best possible light. And let's not forget about the True Tone technology, which adjusts the screen's color temperature according to your ambient lighting. This means less eye strain during those marathon editing sessions. But Apple didn't stop at creating a fantastic display. Connectivity is equally impressive. With Thunderbolt ports, you're getting high-speed data transfer, charging, and connection to external displays all in one. And for those who still rely on wired headphones, you'll be glad to know the headphone jack remains. So whether you're transferring massive files, charging your device, or connecting to another display, the MacBook Pro has got you covered. With Thunderbolt ports, you're getting high-speed data transfer, charging, and connection to external displays all in one. Battery life is impressive as well. Apple claims the MacBook Pro 16 can go for a full day without needing a recharge, and our tests confirm this, even with heavy usage. That's 10 to 12 hours of designing, coding, video editing, or whatever it is that you do all on a single charge. But let's switch gears and talk about some of the MacBook Pro's drawbacks. As much as we love the space black finish, it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. So if you're particular about smudges, you'll find yourself reaching for a cleaning cloth quite often. And then there's the elephant in the room, the price. Apple products have never been cheap, and this MacBook Pro is no exception. It's a hefty investment. But when you consider the cutting-edge performance, the stunning display, and the top-notch build quality, you might just find the price tag justified. After all, quality comes at a cost. The price tag is steep, but for the power and performance you're getting, it might just be worth it. So, who is this for? The MacBook Pro 16 in space black is an ideal choice for professionals who need a powerhouse for heavy-duty tasks, or tech enthusiasts who value aesthetics and performance. Despite a few drawbacks such as the fingerprint magnet finish and a hefty price tag, it's a remarkable piece of technology that offers value for its cost. That wraps up our review of the MacBook Pro 16 in space black. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.